apparent weight of the person when the elevator is accelerating downwards is less than the actual weight. The forces acting at a point are called as concurrent forces. The force acting on a body for a short time are called as impulse. Newton's third law of motion applies to which of these forces? Is gravitational, electric, magnetic. All this it applies. So answer is all of the above. The inability of a body to change its state from rest or motion is known as inertia. Which of these is the cause of friction? Roughness of surfaces in contact, forces of adhesion between the molecules of the surfaces in contact. Means answer is both A and B. What is the relation between kinetic and limiting friction? Is kinetic friction is slightly less than the limiting friction. When one body is actually moving over the surface of other body, then friction is known as kinetic friction. The value of coefficient of limiting friction does not depend upon which of the following: total area of the surfaces in contact. Which of the following is not a method to reduce friction? Is throwing sand on the ground. Which of these force is required to move a body uniformly in a circle? Is centripetal force. The centripetal force and centrifugal force are equal in magnitude and have opposite direction. What is the rate of acceleration produced by one dyne force acting on a body of mass 1 gram is 1 centimeter per second square? The Newton's third law is applicable when bodies are in motion. The apparent weight of a body becomes zero in which of the following cases? In the elevator. In elevator, during free fall of a body under gravity. Which of the following is not correct about the velocity of a rocket at any time? It is directly proportional to the natural log of ratio of initial mass of rocket to its mass at that instant. The thrust on the rocket is in the opposite direction of the rocket. Okay. Which of the following is correct about coefficient of limiting friction between any two surfaces in contact? Is it is equal to the tangent of angular friction. Angle of friction is equal to the angle of repose. Which of the following is an example of application of force? Is when a body at rest starts moving. When a body moves, the moving body stops. When moving body changes its direction. Which stops, starts and changes direction is known as application of force. Is examples all of the above. What is the product of the mass of body and its velocity called as linear momentum? As per the Newton's second law of motion, what is the relation between the rate of change of linear momentum and the external force applied? Is inversely proportional. The second law of motion gives us a measure of which of the following physical quantities is force. 24. Question: 1 kilogram force produces how much acceleration in a body of mass of 1 kg? Is 9.8 meter per second square minus 2 seconds square. Which of these are an examples of conservation of linear momentum? Is example: explosion of bomb, recoiling of a gun, flights of rockets and jet planes. So answer is all of the above.